2006 Subaru Outback wagon. As you can see, the body is clean. There is no rust in the body or underneath, except in the exhaust. It does need a muffler. I see signs that there was some recent brake work done on it. The brakes look okay, everything works, it drives, it runs. However, it is overheating. A very common Subaru affliction. I see that it appears to have had recent head work done. The heads look clean. They don't look all nasty like they've been there. It's a 200,000 plus mile car. I think it's 240,000 actually, which is why it's so surprising it's so clean. But the owner took care of it. It's overheating, but it has not made a milkshake in the oil pan yet. It's not making funny noises or blowing steam, so it is still fixable if gotten to now. And the owner didn't run it into the ground. They realized there was a problem and they stopped running it. Transmission appears to be normal. That's all shifting fine. It moves down the road. The tires, while they are definitely not new, they do have a little bit of life left in them. You can see there's some little dings and dents here and there, but the horrors of rust have not yet appeared in this one. Okay, let's look. Got a leather interior. Seats are pretty dingy. Got a little cigarette burn there and some minor wear, but not bad at all. The interior is surprisingly clean. These people were not animals. They didn't treat their car like an ashtray or a garbage dump. Headliner is nice. All the glass is good. If you used it for parts, you got plenty of good body panels on it. Suspension bits and whatever. Tail lights, nice. The whole tailgate is nice. The bumpers are nice. All the doors open and close like they're supposed to. No rust under there even. Like the rust here a lot, but not this one. Let's see if I can stick this under the car and you can take a look. I really can't see what the camera's seeing right now, but I'll pan it around a little bit and get an idea. The engine support, we had it on a lift. The engine support is rust-free. It's in good shape. You know, a lot of times those engine supports like to rust. I've had that happen on Subarus myself. Not this one now. Back seats look pretty good. Obviously, it's got all the power options. Okay. Starts right up. 240. And we got a radio, usual amenities here. I think the air conditioning actually works in this. How do you turn it on? Oh, there we go. I don't want to leave it on too long or run the engine too long, but yeah, it does feel like it's getting cool. I guess it does work. Miracles. Okay. Now she's running. Let's see the radio. Yeah, it's no surprise there. That works. You know, we've got things like it needs a rear view mirror. They're starting to delaminate a little bit there. So we got the usual little cubby holes up here. There's no sunroof, so no leaks there. Console. Not really sure what kind of automatic transmission is this. Variable speed maybe? I really don't know. Not that familiar with these cars. Of this era, I should say. Okay. Yep, that works. Let's take a look under the hood. Obviously, this is a 4-cylinder model. I believe there was a V6 option, but this is the 4-cylinder model. Let's see. Little prop right there so it'll hit me in the head. Not really much to see under here. The battery's definitely not new, but it's working fine. I think that master cylinder has been replaced. It doesn't look original to me. It looks too clean. And the underside of the heads look like there had been work done there. You know, the heads look clean, like they'd been out, which is not really surprising. Anybody who knows these cars knows they do have a tendency to have head gasket issues. There is an oil leak, which I traced to one of the cooling lines to the transmission has a seepage going on. It might be a small crack. It's a rubber line, not steel. That can be replaced easily enough. It's not a big deal. It's not spraying out everywhere, just irritating. Typical high mileage, older car stuff. And where is the dipstick? There it is. Okay. Let's see if I can get this so you can see it. You see the oil still looks like oil. It is not making a milkshake yet, which means that the crap hasn't reached the bearings. So there is hope for this engine if someone wanted to fix this. If not, you can just swap it out for a rebuild and have a rust-free car. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Definitely too good to waste. And the only thing I saw underneath it was it will be needing a muffler. Now, all the cats are all there. Everything's, you know, good there, but it does need a muffler. And I don't have anything on the maintenance history. I would assume when the heads were done, the timing belt probably was also. Can't swear to it. It might have been, it might not have been. But if you're going to be pulling the heads anyway, it's not that big of a deal. Throw a new timing belt in there. See, the front bumper's real nice. This was a garage-kept car, I believe he said. Nice head. The headlights are slightly, you know, a little hazing on there, but definitely not the worst I've seen. Not that bad. And like I said, the windshield, the tires. Tires are getting close, but they still have a little life lift in them. Nice wheels. So if you're looking to fix a used car, and you're handy, and you're familiar with Subaru, this would be a good choice for you. 2006 Subaru Outback.